Here's Dice app live shows. Let's just install it, see what this app is about. Incredible live shows, upfront price, and relevant recommendations. Explore the best events near you, guest personalized notifications, and never miss out on the show. No surprise fees, secure and easy access to your tickets. Going out makes us feel good, and there are personalized recommendations. So discover live events tailored to your tastes. Get tickets to show in your city. Connect your Spotify, Apple Music to see suggestions based on your music library. Follow your favorite artists and venues and be the first to hear about new shows. Invite friends, follow each other, and get suggestions for shows you can enjoy together. Join the waiting list for sold out events to get your hands on tickets or offers yours to the queue if you can no longer attend. So, if you like live music shows, this is the app for you. You can just browse it. You can choose locations. So, for example, these are locations available. It's not in every country, in every city. So here you can see. So for example, let's just search. Then you can connect your music. You can connect notifications, and then you can just see here. So yes, you can see, nope, in this city there aren't a lot of places. But then if you just search for like bigger, then yeah, you can just see a lot of things happening. 100 plus events. And then you can see all of these events around. So yeah, and then you can just go in there. You can see that there is a free event. You can go there. You can just buy tickets. And yeah, that's the idea. So you can really find some really nice kind of hidden gems parties, especially in big cities. So yeah, that's the idea here. And then then you just have your account, and that's it. So pretty handy app if you like these live shows, live parties. This is not about like top live. Maybe there are like top live performances, but those you can already find in Spotify because they have been recommended in Spotify. Here there are more like a bit second tier live shows, live after parties, which can be quite cool actually. So there you have it.